There you are, my lovelies. Here I am with some advanced British English vocabulary. Got a whopper for you today. 5 syllables. So our 5-syllable word is a noun. It is reverberations. Reverberations. So let me say it slowly. Reverberations. All together, reverberations. So guys, reverberations is a noun, and what it means, it's like an ongoing after effect. It can be a sound, you know, like an echo, or like a continuing effect. So let me give you some example sentences to help you understand a little easier. The reverberations of an interest rate hike will affect us all. One more example. She felt the reverberations of the drilling outside. There you go, my lovelies. Master that word and I will be impressed. Give me the thumbs up, give me some love, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. All right, my lovelies. See you next time. Bye.